Hey guys, it's your boy Payne, and today I'm gonna be trying something different, and that is cleaning my PS4. Now, my dad has given me this. I don't know where the fuck you're supposed to put this, but apparently it's for screws, and then you know, screw in stuff. So, here I am, downstairs in my living room. Here's my PS4, the PlayStation 4 Slim. Let me show you what I want to clean so I can take it off. Sometimes it can get very loud, and what my dad has given me to clean it with is this, a Henry Extra. But first I must fit one of these screws. I've never done this in my life ever. This isn't helping. Fucking hell, it's bright in here. None of these fit. Oh, I've got one. I did it. I've got two little screws out. Now for the next part, I don't know what to do. Trial and error. This is. Fuck's sake. I see these YouTube tutorials and they look fucking simple. This isn't fucking simple, is it? Okay, that doesn't. Shit. What the fuck is that supposed to go to? None of these fit. This one did, with like two. I want to get this bloody metal plate off. And I have to put all these fucking screwdrivers back. Look at this. Look at that. Henry's now plugged in.
Sorry, but the person you've called isn't available at the moment.
Oh, fuck off.
Sorry, but the person you've called isn't available at the moment.
What do you mean? My dad said this was working. I've plugged it in and it's not working. It's not turning on.
Oh, well, I don't know then. Right, bye.
Bye. Fuck's sake. I found a brush that could help. Fuck's sake. This is ruining my day, this is. I've got another idea. I've got my mother's Hoover. I don't know if this is going to work. That's just scratched it. Evidently, I haven't been able to do it. And these screwdrivers are going back in Harry Potter's closet. So yeah guys, I guess I'll see you when my dad gets home, because he said he'll help me with my PS4 of it being cleaned.
Eventually.
Make sure it doesn't go in
Oh,
there.
I can't make sure.
You can put your finger in front
You
of
put your
it.
finger in front of a fucking sharp blade. You want me to put my finger there? You want me to put my finger there?
You got thick skin.
Yeah, well, fucking just chop that one, look.
Have you seen the state of my PlayStation 4? The only thing I could see without this plate on was just this bit here. Do you know why I'm bothering to do this? I'm doing this because every time I go on my PS4, it literally sounds like a Boeing 747. So yeah, I'm gonna dust this and hopefully I can get everything out with Henry the Hoover. My dad eventually fixed it. Thanks, Dad. Let's do this. Get back in the kitchen. What's funny?
Huh?
What's funny?
What's funny is when I see you hoovering your PlayStation 4,
Right.
you just look so serious.
Nearly as dirty as my mind. This is like 3 years worth of dust. Right, guys, this is what I've cleaned. The power sync, just here. As you can see, it is much fucking focused then. Cleaner. And now I've got to do the hard part, which is putting all the screws back. Here are all the screws. This needs to go down. Oh wait, no. It's this bit that goes first. Now the plate is on, I need to put the screws back in. This goes into there. Oh, fuck's sake. There we go. That's one. One in here. Need to push this down. There's been a little bit of confusion. I have to put one in the back. Oh, look at that. It fits. So you're telling me that this little small one, the one that doesn't even match this one in here, doesn't even match up to this one here. Guaranteed this is going to go in. Oh my god, it went in. There are 2 more screws to go into the PS4 Slim. So I've got majority of the screws in now. There's just this one to go in and this one. Mum, are you watching porn?
No, I'm watching Denzel.
What's that noise then?
He's having a baby.
My dad has dented my PS4. He's fucking dented it. Screw one in. And we are done. Here is the lid. Done. It's time to do the sound test, aka the fan test, to see if it still sounds like a Boeing 747. I'm going to use GTA as an example. Sometimes when I play GTA 5, the fan is loud, and sometimes I play it, it's not so loud. So there is the Grand Theft Auto 5 disc. In it goes. Reading disc. And it's not getting as hot as it used to be. So when I load in, the PS4 should begin to become loud, because that is what it normally does. Guys, it's silent. So yeah guys, that was me cleaning out my PS4 Slim. I did well, evidently. So yeah, if you like this vlog and you want more vlogs like this, please leave a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.